Hey everybody, we just wanted to welcome you on our webinar today on how to get $50,000 to $250,000 plus in business credit without leveraging your personal credit with our software and app and Chrome extension. So let's get into it. So these are just some testimonial videos just on the software and app. People are very happy using it. So who is this webinar for? One, those who are open to a new opportunity to grow their business, those who know they need money to grow their business, and those that are tired of not being able to help more customers and clients, and those that are tired of relying on a bank, personal credit cards, friends and family, and those that are committed to their success. So you are right. The big banks do not want you to know that 99% of money is given through alternative lenders. They want to keep you down and make you use your hard-earned assets and collateral to get a loan with them. The big banks and your competitors want you in the dark because they know that if you had this information we're going to teach today, you're going to be dangerous and you'll be on a level playing field with them and actually be able to compete. So it's not your fault. If you ever failed before, it's not your fault. You weren't playing on the same playing field as them. And they knew this, right? With this knowledge, you'll finally be able to grow your business and get to where you need to be. So our goal for this presentation today is to give you access to our software program, which helps you get access to $50,000 plus in business credit, give you no credit check lenders you can work with today to get extra capital with no hard credit check, and basically how to build your business credit without paying high fees or any to a business, and how to get a $100 to $200 sign-up bonus at the end of the presentation with no cost to you. So the benefits of building business credit: one, it separates your business from your personal assets in case of default. Two, it gives you you get much higher limits in the business world than in the personal credit world. And three, business credit is based on how you pay your bills, not your utilization. So when you're saying separate your business from your personal assets, right, you never know when a black swan event can happen, say like a COVID-19, and you don't always want to personally guarantee everything, especially now with these different fintech firms, that it's so many different ways in which you can acquire business credit where you don't have to use your home as collateral or use your car or whatever that you worked hard for, right? And you really want to bifurcate your business credit and your personal credit. So your business credit, because your business is its own entity, right? So you don't always want to be leveraging your personal credit to grow your business. Also, there's much higher limits in the business world than the personal credit world. So say if you went to Apple, right? If you're going for yourself, you may need, maybe for the family, 4 computers, right, in total. But for business, you may need 100, 200, thousands of computers because it's depending on the business size. So you can obviously see why there's much higher limits in the business world than the personal credit world, because the business needs a lot more money than someone that just using it for their personal. That's why personal account. That's why you shouldn't really use personal credit cards to grow your business, because that's not really what they're meant for. They're just meant for emergencies and everything. But sometimes you have to do what you have to do, right? Also, business credit is based on how you pay your bills, not your utilization. So as we know, in the personal credit world, say you on vacation or use your credit card or max it out, your credit score drops rather precipitously. And the reason being is that you're overutilizing your credit card. You should really be at 10%, right? With business credit, businesses are meant to kind of acquire debt. Apple has lots of debt, even though they are cash rich, right? Because they're able to get it at lower than 1%. But for the rest of us, obviously, you still need business credit to grow your business, and for you even to have outstanding balance, that's totally fine, right? Because it's based on how you pay your bills, not your utilization. So even if you have a business credit card, you're paying the minimum payment, it's not going to show up on the personal credit bureau. And it's not going to be like super deleterious to your overall business credit score or be harmful to your overall business credit score. So these are actually the steps of building business credit. Obviously, you need to get a business virtual address. If you have a commercial address, that's even better. You don't want to use a PO box. Your home address is okay. Reason being is why you want a business virtual address is one, when they're checking your Dun & Bradstreet, which is the biggest business credit bureau in the world, they have a map of how, basically where your business is. And if it's a home, it doesn't always look as venerable or credible to corporate lenders, right? If business virtual address, though, it's a office building and it looks very very professional. So you definitely want to make sure you have a business virtual address, unless you already have a commercial address. And using your home address is not the worst thing in the world. It's just not the worst thing in the world. But using a PO box is, you definitely don't want to do that. A toll-free number is important as well too. So that's just having an 888 number, just to give you more credibility. A fax number as well too. Even though most people, they don't really use fax anymore, kind of like email fax, S type of way, I guess you can say, for the fax number. But you definitely need a fax number, because when you're filling out the forms to get corporate lenders, they care about how your business looks, because it's kind of the chicken before the egg complex. If you don't have business credit, how do you get business credit? Well, it's about how you look, and you just need to have all these steps set up. And obviously a professional website, being listed with 411, even though most people don't check 411. And that's why they check it, because the corporate lenders, to see if you're a real business or not, because most businesses aren't listed with 411. And it's really easy. It's actually free to do as well too. Getting your professional business email. So you don't want to have a Gmail or Yahoo, because again, it doesn't look professional. You want to have like an info@yourwebsite.com, right? And then getting a business bank account, because with a business bank account, you can actually use your bank account, especially now in this day of the fintech age. You can actually use that as a tool to acquire more credit, where they're just looking at your bank accounts. They don't really care too much about your personal credit score, or even your business credit score. They're literally just going off of your business bank accounts. And then you want to make sure you get your DUNS number. So your DUNS number is kind of like your social security number for the business credit world. Because Dun & Bradstreet is the biggest business credit bureau. So you just want to have your DUNS number so that you can be able to essentially have an identification number for when you're filling out these corporate these forms for these corporate lenders. Because essential, and we also have an AI software that can automate adding business trade lines for you too, but we'll talk about that later. But basically, with the DUNS number, you just need that for when you're filling out the application, because they're going to ask for it, right? Like your EIN, your SSN, etc., and your DUNS number. Well, if they do ask for your SSN, it's just for verification purposes. But definitely, you're going to need that DUNS number, because that's what they're going to check, and be able to check your Dun & Bradstreet and everything. So now once you have all that set up, you're actually eligible for starter vendor accounts. And these are vendors like Uline, Quill, Summa Office Supplies, Granger Industrial Supplies. And we have a full list of the vendor accounts in the actual software as well too, that you'll be able to get access to. Below, you'll be able to see the different pricing for that, right? So these are net 30 accounts. And basically, you can be able to buy certain things that you need. So vendors like Summa Office Supplies as well too, Granger Industrial Supplies. So basically, things that you can use to be able to use around the house. Like say for Uline, they have janitorial supplies, or Quill, they have Visa gift cards. A lot of things that you'll be able to use and be able to grow your business, or even you need envelopes, etc. Right? So these are just the starter vendor accounts. And then after you have 5 accounts reporting, which usually takes about 30 to 60 days, you'll be able to start getting store credit cards in net terms, net 22 to net 60 terms. And these are like Amazon, Office Depot, Macy's, Exxon Mobil, gas cards, so certain things that anybody can be able to use. Then once you have 10 accounts reporting, which usually takes about 60 to 90 days, you'll be able to start getting revolving accounts. So these are like your American Express, your Dell, Walmart, Amazon, Staples, Exxon Mobil, Apple. So that's different from the net 30 accounts, because now, if you remember back to what we were saying before with the benefits of building business credit, your business credit is based on how you pay your bills, not your utilization. So with these accounts, you can actually have revolving accounts where you have a balance, right? And you can still be able to use it, and it won't be harmful to your regular personal credit score or your business credit score, because business credit is based on how you pay your bills, not your utilization. So this is just our information package. So we're going to go through the software right now, just so you can see everything that you get. This. So let's go up here. So here, basically in our software, we also have an app too that we'll show you in a Chrome extension as well. So in the software, we have the different industries. So it's basically if you're in the fitness industry, real estate, it's more tailored towards your specific industry. So say for somebody with fitness, if they're offering financing to their customers, they may use PayPal credit. But for trucking, they may use invoice factoring. So it's tailoring that, or say For financing products, business credit cards may be the best for fitness. But if you're in the restaurant industry or say trucking, invoice factoring, again, may be a much better source of financing. So yeah, it's kind of just more tailored toward your specific industry and everything. Then you have the guided business creation. So this is usually where we tell clients to start. Just basically seeing what you exactly need. And we're just going to go through this really quickly. No, to get one, no. You can choose which industry you're in, the monthly option or yearly option. Next, no, get one. Next. Maybe just want to say yes for everything else. iPad. Okay, and then you would go to checkout, and basically you'll see steps to do based off of your check after you check out. So where you go to set up your LLC, where to go to set up your EIN, and then if you want to purchase some of the things that you need, you can obviously do that here as well too. And it's all saved as well here in the guided creation progress, so you'll be able to see all of your steps as well. So everything will be there for you. And then you can actually create your own specific portal as well too. So it's a lot of things in here. So you can just be able to, say you just want to access immediate credit for your business and get business insurance. Well, then you can, go and save changes here and basically choose a name for it and do submit, and it will create a, right here where you can actually just view just the things in that. Basically just the things that you had chosen, right? And you can always go back to the main portal. You can always go here to go to save portals. So you can be able to see your specific portals that you have saved, so you don't get overwhelmed, right? And then we also have the my goals with the platform. So you can just choose your goals with the platform, just one goal, right? A lot of people like to use this as well too, just to make it as intuitive as possible. So this would just be for the loan portal. So you can be able to apply for business loans, and we'll go over that as well too a little later. We also have a business credit builder tracker. So this is where you see your current business trade lines that you have, business trade lines we can add for you, and then just tier 1 business trade lines. So that's where basically just getting started, tier 2, and then how many trade lines you need to go to the next portion. Here we have where the business trade lines report, the description, the link in your version. This is just the demo version. And then if we recommend it or not. So all of that will be there. So from tier 1 all the way to tier 4. And then we have the business credibility checklist. So just, you can see, like, do you have all the things done? All the business credit checklist will be here. And then also, starting building with tier 1, and that will go to the business credit builder tracker page. So yeah, really cool stuff there. And then you have where we can just add regular business trade lines for you. So if you just want to, just do it that way. And we use robotic process automation to be able to add business trade lines. And you enter your data, and so we can be able to add these for you. So we just want to make it as easy as possible. And then we have a video link explaining it as well. And then we have where you can obviously watch a webinar, which you're doing right now on it. You can also purchase our other software products. We do have 15 plus software products that aren't related necessarily to business credit, but can help you grow your business, right? And you have a video explanation here. So we have our own text marketing, auto dialer, email marketing, and we'll have different bundle programs for that as well too that you can purchase as well. And we have our own file sharing software. So let me actually, I think all of that is here. So we have our file sharing software, our website builder, accounting app, affiliate software, CRM. We did have our HR software that is being uploaded again. Our learning academy, marketing software, our SMS software, we all have our own video conferencing Zoom-like software. And yeah, we have a lot of software on email marketing software. So it's going to be a lot of cool stuff in there for you guys. And you'll be able to purchase it, right? So yeah. And then you can go back to the main portal, and you'll be able to see, let me go back for 1 second. You'll be able to see the products purchase payments, and if you have a line of credit that you can be able to use to purchase some of these products to get going. So the line of credit usually is like you have to put 25% down, and the rest you can just pay with payments, and you'll be able to view your terms here, and they'll go to payments and everything. So yeah, and so also we have where you can create your own business financing plan. So it's going to be leveraging artificial intelligence to create you a specific financing plan based off of the queries that you put in. So like, if you have any non-sufficient funds, etc., and then you'll be able to see what lenders you qualify for. But the best thing, I'll have a video explaining it. But the best thing, you'll see what lenders you qualify for, but also what lenders you do not qualify for, and why you want to qualify for them in the future. So that's pretty cool. And then we have where just the create my business credit building plan. So basically just off of how many trade lines you have reporting, how long you've been incorporated, so you can actually see your business credit building plan. And this is just leveraging business credit. So the business financing, that's business credit and personal credit. This is just leveraging business credit. So you can, it has a video there, and then just the plan, and then watch the video to explain it. Amazing trade lines and where they report. So really, really cool stuff in there for you. Just try to really jam pack it. And then we also to create my credit repair plan. So based off your current credit situation, you can create your own credit repair plan. And then you'll also be able to have personal credit repair done for you services if you would like as well too. And that's going to be with an affiliate. So then we also have the business credit building. So all the business credit building steps. So say for example, getting your DUNS number. That's there. Click here to go apply. Your EIN. Getting professional email address. 411 listing. So video explaining it and the steps, and click here to go apply. So pretty much all of that. And you can also just choose the business credit building steps you need done for you. So on what we exactly do. And we also have a concierge program as well too, that for certain steps that you don't see on here, we can do as well. It's a little bit more expensive, but at the same time, it may be worth it for you if you don't want to do anything. But definitely here, we have the website. So all the things that we can do for you: website, toll-free number, fax number, domain, professional email address, and we can build all of that for you in our business builder program. Or you can just choose to get certain things that you need, right? And you can do monthly or yearly options to save a little bit of money, but you could just say, just want to do the website and just want to do the fax number. You could just do that and then go to checkout. And obviously you have to fill in your information first, but it will take you to checkout, and we have all of that done for you within 24 hours. And you'll get an email notification, and we'll be reaching out to you as well too on that. So, and also we have a live chat here as well, so you'll be able to speak. And it's Sunday, so for this one. But we'll be available Monday through Friday for that. And usually Saturday and Sunday as well. It's just really early. But and then there is the apply for. Oh, well, you can also offer the personal credit. Let me go up a little bit. So we have here the getting established with the business credit bureau. So it shows you how to get established with the business credit bureaus, from Experian Business to Equifax Business, Dun & Bradstreet, corporate credit list, so starter vendors, all the way to credit card, no personal guarantee, full list of financing products from personal credit cards all the way to SBA financing. Explains that. Marketing your business. So we do have a marketing your business section where essentially it helps you get coupons. We also have a marketing course. So it takes you to our marketing portal where it shows you how to do Facebook ads, etc., and how to get $500 plus in free advertising as well too. So you can do really cool stuff there. And then we also have a business credit building course. So it just, shows you how to basically build your business credit, right? And then here, so from bank ratings all the way to leveraging your assets, etc. And then we have the personal credit course, so you can, how to do your own personal credit, and then normal life events. So say, for example, other than business, extra money for holiday shopping, extra money for rent, extra money for an engagement ring, etc. Regular stuff. You can use no credit check financing or personal credit. And then offering financing to your customers. So you can be able to offer financing to your existing customers, no credit check financing. So like Klarna, Via Bill, Quad Pay, and to pay for these services. So we have a couple plans that you can actually leverage getting no credit check financing to purchase, right? And you could be able to do it yourself too. So really cool stuff, especially if you have an e-commerce store, really works well there, and other industries as well too, different verticals. So and then we also have apply for business loans. So you go to here and see if you qualify, and click here to go to the loan portal, and it's a video explaining here. So you would just upload your documents and your information, and we can be able to get you loan offers if you can get approved. And here you will go and you'll be able to see your financing offers. So if you click here, while it loads, you would just be able to see all of your different financing offers and everything, and then be able to see your financing offers here. Okay, so we can go back to the main portal, and go down, and there's a COVID-19 business loan section, personal credit primary trade lines that you can be able to add, business credit repair module, and then you can sign up for business credit monitoring, and then also 0% business credit card strategy. So pretty much how to essentially get the 0% business credit cards, how to increase the amount you can receive, criteria to get 0% business credit cards, and the benefits of using business credit cards, and which ones report to which bureaus, and then actually all the business credit cards and where you can apply. So a lot of cool stuff in that portion as well. And also where you can purchase Dun& Bradstreet products. So you can augment your Dun & Bradstreet growth by just, being able to purchase some of their products. And it kind of goes into more detail. And it's a video here explaining the products in more detail as well too. And we're here via chat to, answer any questions for you as well too. And they also have where the insurance products. So if you want to get business insurance, you can easily do that through there. And then there's the Chrome extension portal. So just if you wanted to use our Chrome extension, you can be able to do that like so. Well, this is the Chrome extension up here. So you would download it, and actually you can see download our Chrome extension. So you can go here. Oops. And you'll be able to see here, and we already have it here. So we're just gonna and let it work. Okay. So my computer's a little slow. But while that loads, okay, awesome. So then we just put in. And so from here, you can pretty much do, choose the starter vendors to begin with, see the steps you need to get approved, see the different products, the different trade lines that'll be available that you can order all through the Chrome extension, and then main, and then there's an introduction video. And we also have where, if you pre-fill your information, we can automate the forms for you. So say if you're on a Uline or Quill and you just want to do it yourself, you can just press the fill forms button and it'll fill all the forms in for you. So yeah, and then if you click here, you can just enter in your user data. So that will load. My computer looks slow today, but you can just pre-fill all your information here, and then you can easily be able to fill the forms. Or, if you're getting adding the business trade lines and so on, you can be able to do that as well too. So, you'll have that. You'll need that for that as well. So that's pretty much the Chrome extension. And the cool thing is that we actually just have a portion of the software that's just for the Chrome extension portal. So, so you don't even have to use the entire software. You can just go to the Chrome extension portal portion and just do everything within here. So everything will be there and how to use it, etc. And we'll be here for you as well too if you have any questions. And then you could just go back to the main portal. And then we also have the iPhone and Android app that you can be able to use for everything. So you would just go here for Android and iPhone, and you can be able to do everything you can pretty much do in the regular software in that app. Then we have a frequently asked questions. Then we have your AI customer success agent. So here you will actually be able to speak to a customer success agent. Say if it's 12, 1 a.m. and no one's available via phone, you can easily, and it will load here. So it'll select my computer, Wi-Fi I'm on. But basically, it'll be a customer success AI agent that you'll be able to speak with. And while that loads, you can also shop at our online store. So where you can customize products and do bulk orders. So if you need to get online, business cards, or you need to get certain things, you can easily be able to do that. Okay, we'll just go through here first. And so we have a lot of things. They say men's pants. You can easily be able to customize that, customize like each thing that we have in here. And then we also have financing as well too. So you can do no credit check financing to be able to purchase bulk order products. So say for example, these wind pants, right? You could be able to put your branding on it. Okay, so hopefully it's okay. No problem. So you can easily customize it here like so, and you can be able to add your own logo, choose the quantity, choose the different colors, etc. So you'll be able to add, say, your logo here, and it will, be able to work for you. So really cool stuff there. Yeah, and this is our customer success agent, and
Hello there. It's so good to meet you. Thanks for spinning me up. You have no idea how cramped it is in the cloud.
and essentially you can be able
You
to
probably have lots of
answer any
questions for me.
questions.
I'm here to help you with some of
Basically,
those through a guided conversation,
and
or
available
we
for
could
late
just
night,
chat.
something of that
You
nature.
can select an experience
There's
when
a
you're
lot of really
ready.
cool stuff there. You can either do a guided conversation or do a free chat,
Excellent. Great.
where you can,
Free chat
speak
lets
to
you
it
experience a
yourself,
simple
or you
digital.
can type something, right? So yeah,
What do you like to
here's
do in your free time?
this
I
is
like to
customer
speak
success
many
agent.
languages and
So, you'll get everything in the information package, which is below. So everything you just saw, the create my financing plans, create my specific portal access, create my business credit building plan, your backend client portal to track progress, mobile app and Chrome extension access, AI voice assistant, ability to add business trade lines, and then the business credit builder package there as well too. So check back that in about a couple minutes. So the business credit builder package, which you'll see below as well. And the cool thing about our program is that you can get certain things that you need. So say, for example, you just need the toll-free number. You can just get that. Or say you need to get say you just need to get a website. You can just get that as well too. Basically, with the business credit builder package, you'll be able to get everything that you need to really start being able to build your business credibly. So obviously everything in the information portal, but you also will also build your website. You get free web hosting for the entire year. We buy your fax number for the entire year, professional email address, toll free number we purchased for the entire year for you. And we have an app as well too, where you can be able to, do everything on via VoIP. Uh, and business credit building course. We'll also purchase your fax number for the entire year, and you'll have our app where you can be able to use that as well too. A full starter vendor retail store credit. So everything that you saw in that information, basic information portal, and obviously the mobile app. And the cool thing about this one, you'll get your own one-on-one customer success agent that's available Monday through Friday for you, and priority access to our 15 plus extra softwares at 50% off, and 25% off our online stores where you can brand your own products, where you saw. And let's just double check for a second. So here's a list of our extra software programs. Obviously, our website builder. We have our own DocuSign like software, Udemy like software, so you can sell your courses. Auto dialer, where you can do bulk calling and bulk text messaging. Accounting software, HR software, so file sharing like Dropbox, affiliate management software, customer relationship management software, email marketing software, SEO analytics software, video conferencing software, and website analytics software as well too, and our social media marketing optimization software. So again, we kind of aren't just business credit building. We kind of look at ourselves as a technology company where the business credit building is your first step, right? And then you can obviously use these other ancillary softwares to really augment your business and streamline things. So just imagine what the future looks like, right? Imagine being able to take a break and your business can still run without you because you can now hire employees because you correctly leverage business credit. Imagine finally being able to take that 2 week vacation with the family. Imagine the security of knowing you have money in the bank and lines of credit to grow your business. Imagine finally being able to treat yourself to that new toy, right? And then what happens if you miss out? So if you miss out today, one, you lose out on those bonuses that you see below. Obviously, you deserve to grow your business, and you deserve to be able to compete. And also, you deserve to not have to be stressed and rely on the local bank, family, and friends. And the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again. So the savings with the program, if you're paying for a toll-free number, you'll easily be saving $6,900 over the next 5 years. Web hosting, $2,340 over the next 5 years. Fax number, $1,200 over the next 5 years. And professional email address, $700 over the next 5 years. And then website design, easily $2,000 plus because we built you an incredible website, which you'll have access to be able to edit and so on. And, you just have to think about the total savings over the next 5 years easily, $13,000 plus, right? So a lot of great savings, and you'll see the different pricing for the below for it. And with our program, we have that special offer below with our basic business builder program. And you can obviously go into the portal and be able to get the certain steps that you need, but you can, pretty much just get the business builder package. Also, you'll see below you can sign up for a merchant account where you get a $100 sign up bonus with us. And it's free for you to have for most of them. Some of them, they are like $4 to $5 but per month. But the good thing about that is they only charge you 1.5% rather than 3% like PayPal or Square. So really, really cool stuff there. So everything you get for our paid package again, we build your business credibly, create monthly business financing plan, business credit building plan. You can get all of the stuff in the free information. The information portal, the website design. We do free web hosting for the entire year, fax number for the entire year, professional email address. We purchase that for you, toll free number, business credit building course, full, everything within that. Again, the information portion. You get your own one-on-one customer success agent and free access to our affiliate program, 100% action-based money back guarantee, and 1 year on our accounting and payroll software, 50% off our our extra softwares as well too. And you'll get free access to our data platform for the first couple of months. So again, don't blame yourself for past mistakes. Get even on the competitors, get even with the school system for keeping this away from you, and get even with the local and national banker who knowingly kept this information from you. So again, what the future looked like, right? Just imagine being able to take a break and your business could still run without you, but now you can hire employees. Imagine finally being able to, again, take that 2-week vacation, right? Imagine security knowing you have money in the bank and lines of credit to grow your business. Imagine finally being able to treat yourself to that new toy. So what to expect? You'll have access to your backend portal after purchase within 1 to 2 hours, and your customer success agent will be reaching out via text, email, phone to coordinate a time to speak with you. Also, looking to joining our partner program. Partner program is free to join, but you just have to pay a monthly hosting and maintenance fee. And you can white label our entire software and app under your branding, and sell it as well. So definitely look into that. And that'll be below as well too. And try to make some extra money with it. So get on our offer below. I think there's a timer, and we're here to be able to answer any questions for you. And we look forward to having you on. All right, be safe.